Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody emailed me and wanted to know how they can make text to path go evenly all the way around the circle. So I've made a 14-inch circle. I'm going to nudge it out of the way and figure out the length of that circle. A mathematician could very easily do it, but we're going to go to Windows, Docker's Properties, and if it doesn't show up, it's because you haven't created a curve yet. I've already turned this into a curve. Tell you what, let's just kind of do this again. Let's make a 14-inch circle. I had my ratio unlocked for good reasons in a second. We'll go ahead and put it in the P and move it around. Now, when we select on it, we can convert it to a curve. You have to do that for this to work. Then you get this curve sign, and it is 43.988. So I just fortunately made a text that's 43.98. Also, it's 1 inch, so with a ratio lock, we could make this 1 inch. And we could make it longer or shorter. You could make it 42, and it's not going to change the font that much, but we need 43.98. Then go up to text to path, and put it on that path, and look at that. Now that little dash I put is a little bit closer to the T, granted, but we could deal with that, or you could grab the shape tool and select, kind of working upside down. No, that's moving the T. We need to move this one, and we could move that little dash sign more evenly. Now all you have to do, and if it has to fit inside this circle, you would never really want it to the edge, so you could actually make it a little bit smaller if you had just for instance, if you had a 16-inch coaster. So let's nudge the 16-inch part out of the way, and let's go ahead and grab all this and go up to Object and break the text apart. We can get rid of that red line, and this is still a group. Well, you know what? This might be better to have the circle in there. But let's grab the text, holding down the Shift key, just bring it in ever so slightly. And there you go. It's pretty easy. Of course, I picked a text that would fit on my 16-inch circle, but most coasters aren't going to be 16 or 14 inches around. But using the shape tool to find out how long that line is, you're more readily to make it match. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.